In today's video, we are going to cover how to test Stripe payments in Sandbox mode. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard with your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct Stripe account before continuing. This matters if you manage more than one business or project, since test activity needs to appear in the account you expect to review later. Next, switch Stripe into Sandbox or Test mode. Depending on the dashboard layout, this appears as a test mode toggle or a sandbox setting. Turn that on so the environment is no longer using live payment data. Before moving on, confirm that the dashboard indicators show you are working in test mode, not live mode. That is the detail most people want to double check before entering any payment information. After that, create or open a test payment link, checkout session, or payment page. If you already have one prepared for testing, open that item from your dashboard. If not, create the one you plan to use for this checkout flow and keep it in test mode. The main goal here is to reach a payment page that is tied to your Stripe test environment. With that ready, open the test payment page. This is the page your customer would normally see during checkout. Let it load fully so you can review the fields that appear on screen. The layout may vary depending on whether you are using a one-time payment, a subscription, or another Stripe checkout setup, but the process remains the same. Now enter the required customer information into the checkout form. Fill in the fields that Stripe asks for, such as contact details, billing details, or any other required information shown on that page. Use generic account details rather than personal information if you are recording or sharing the process. Once the form is filled out, use a Stripe test card to complete the payment details. Enter the test card number and any other required test values so the transaction can run in Sandbox mode. This is what allows Stripe to simulate the payment without creating a real charge. When the payment details are in place, click the button shown for your checkout flow. That button may say Pay, Subscribe, or Complete Payment. After you select it, wait a moment for Stripe to process the transaction and update the result on screen. Finally, return to your Stripe dashboard and verify that a test payment was processed successfully. Check the payment status in test mode and confirm that a transaction appears as expected for the payment link, checkout session, or payment page you used. Your Stripe test payment has now been processed and verified in Sandbox mode.